Today we are making pumpkin spiced cupcakes. To begin with, add the sugar to the butter. Cream the butter and sugar together. Next, add 2 eggs. Sift the flour into the mixture. Okay, so I bought some of this pumpkin pie filling mixture and I'm just going to add a few spoonfuls of this to my cupcake batter. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we're going to make the first layer of icing on our cupcakes. This is going to be the sort of orange base layer. So sift 200 grams of icing sugar. Add a few drops of orange food colouring and a tablespoon of warm water. And let's mix the contents together. For the black eyes and the mouth, we're going to be using some black fondant icing. So roll this out on a surface with some icing sugar on it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have an awesome Halloween. Goodbye.